Hello everyone, I'm Salome De Wet and I'm coming to you all the way from Cape Town, South Africa. This is my beautiful model Alani and we're going to be demonstrating the new Blonde Your Way campaign with the Iridescent Blonde Collection. I am so excited because this is one of my absolute favorite things to do. I love blondes. Blonde makes you feel like you've been on holiday. Blonde boosts your confidence. Blondes is something that every single person can wear. Blonde is iconic. So let's have a look. So we're going to start our pre-lightening service. Alani's roots is a natural level 7 and the middlings to ends is already pre-lightened to a level 10. So I'm going to be going into a roots with SilkLift Strong and 20 mil. Let's have a look. So this is our result after pre-lightening. We've prepped our hair with the Blonde and Highlight shampoo and now we are going to start playing with our Colorance formulations. I'm so excited. Let's have a look. Our sectioning has been done now. I'm going to be one of the first people that's working with the new iridescent shades. So I'm using the 10BV and the 10GP and I'm having a little bit of fun with it and intermixing some pure pigments into my formulas. So let's have a look. So this is our final result. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Please comment, like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.